Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to build a WhatsApp chatbot for your organic food store business. Suppose you run an organic store and want to notify your customers about fresh food arrivals to drive in a store visit. So we can automate this process with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, let me take you to the screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to build WhatsApp chatbot for your organic food store business. First of all, let me show you the chatbot that we will create with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So this is our chatbot and we will also see how it responds. Simply go to our WhatsApp dashboard and simply type, I want fresh food. After typing, you will see I am getting response. Welcome to Bloom Organics. Looking for farm fresh organic products? Here's what we can help you with today. Now we have a fresh arrivals button. Simply click on it. After clicking, we are getting another response. Fresh arrivals today. Organic tomatoes, farm grapes, carrot. Now we have an order now button. Simply click on it. After clicking, we are getting another response. Awesome. First, may I have your full name please? Now I am entering my name, test user. After entering my name, I am getting another response. Thanks, test user. What would you like to order today? Now I want tomatoes. After entering tomatoes, I am getting another response. When would you like to pick it up? Simply I am entering the time 10 a.m. Now we have a confirmation message. Let's confirm your order. Name, test user, item tomatoes, time 10 a.m. Reply yes to confirm or no to restart. Simply I am click on yes. After clicking yes, I am getting final message. Your order is confirmed. Test user will have your fresh organic produce ready soon. Thank you for choosing Bloom Organics. So you will see we are getting the responses. Now go back to our flow. You can also check all the responses in our inbox section which we have received on WhatsApp. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot, then follow along on my screen. First of all, we will open our browser and simply type www.pabbly.com. Now we have an interface like this. If you have already logged in before, then we will sign in, otherwise we will sign up. Since I have already logged in, so I will sign in. After sign in, we will see 7 products. We have to click on Pabbly Chatflow Access Now button. After that, we will see an interface like this. Now you can create your business account. If you want to know how to create a business account in Pabbly Chatflow with the help of Metaphor developers, you can easily do so by watching the video provided in the link description. How you can add WhatsApp number? Simply click on Add WhatsApp number. Now we have a WhatsApp Connect Beta Manual Token Connect. With the help of beta, we automatic update our access token. Now simply I am click on Manual Token Connect. In this we fill the details like Meta access token, phone number ID, WhatsApp business account ID, and simply select the folders and simply click on Next. After clicking Next, you have successfully added your WhatsApp number like this and simply click on Accessing. Now you see the navigation on the left side. In this we have Inbox section, Contacts, Team Queue, Templates, Broadcast, Flows, AI Assistant, Settings, Get Help. I already explained inbox section. In this section, we check the WhatsApp responses. Now we have contacts. In this field, we add a contact and create contact list like this. Now we have a team queue option. Team queue is used to show the list of chart assigned to the team member. Now we have a template section. In this section we create a template. Simply click on add new template and fill the details over here and simply click on submit. Now we have a broadcast section. In this section broadcast we use to share information with the large audience. Just click on add broadcast and simply fill the details over here and simply click on add broadcast. Now we have a flows section. Simply click on flows. With the help of flow, we are going to create our WhatsApp chatbot. And if you want to create new flow, simply click on add flow. Now we have an option AI assistant. We use AI assistants, integrating AI tools like ChatGPT to understand user message, generate smart replies, and automate dynamic conversation within the chatbot workflow. Now we have an option settings. Now we have an option get help. Now we create our flow. Simply click on flows, click on add flow. Now we have an interface like this. First of all, we rename our chatbot, that is WhatsApp chatbot for your organic food store business. Now we have two options, message and action. With the help of both of them, we are going to create our WhatsApp chatbot. Now we enter keywords, hello, hi, hey, food, and so on. Why we use keywords? Keywords we commonly use to trigger the chatbot. Now we enter regex. For regex, we use the format /b, open and close bracket, /b, and we separate the value by using vertical bar. Now we take text button and write some message on it. Welcome to Bloom Organics. Looking for farm fresh organic product. Look, here's what we can help you today. Now we also add button that is fresh arrival and simply connect this flow to this message box. If user press this button, then we will send our next message. Simply take another text button and write some message on it. In this box we elaborate fresh arrivals, organic tomatoes, farm, crabs, carrot. Now we add order now button and connect this fresh arrival button to this message box. Now we take question box in which we ask a name from user. Awesome. First, may I have your full name? If user press order now button, then we will send this message. Simply connect this order now button to this question box and also select contact custom field, that is full name, and select the format text format. If you also want to know how you can create this contact custom field, simply click on settings and click on contact custom field. I have already added some contact custom field like full name, address, email, contact number, quantity, order, date, time. Now if you also want to add contact custom field, simply click on add more field and simply type field name. I am typing XYZ and click on save button. Now you will see we are successfully create our contact custom field. Now we have an option field description. Also enter a description which helps you to identify the purpose. Now go back to our flow. Now we take another question box. In this box we take orders from user. Thanks, full name. What would you like to order today? And you'll see we use $sign. Why we use $sign? If user enter their name, then automatically replace their name with full name. Now we select contact custom field, order, and also select the format, text format. Now connect this question box to this question box. Now we take another question box. In this box, we ask a pickup time from user. When would you like to pick it up? Now select the contact custom field, time, and select the format, text format. Now connect this question box to this question box. Now we take text button. In this we write a confirmation message. Let's confirm your order. Name, item, time. Reply yes to confirm or no to restart. Now we add yes button. Also add no button. And connect this question box to this message box and simply save the flow. Now we add our last message. So simply take text button and write a message. If user press yes, then we will send our this message. So simply connect yes button to this message. And user press no, then we will forward to restart. And simply save the flow. So you will see we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Simply go to our WhatsApp dashboard and type fresh food and you will see we are getting response. So successfully we are creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any question, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related issue, you can visit our website which is given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow and start building your own WhatsApp chatbot for free. Thank you.